Hey folks, welcome back to CountNCook. This is Satvik Sridhar Suvarna and today's recipe is onion pakoda or Neerulli Bajji. This winter, serve this dish with spicy chutney for tea. Why wouldn't you like it, man? If you like the video, please give this video a like and also share it with your friends. Before I get started, let me run through the ingredients. For this preparation, we are going to use 10 thinly sliced onions, 8 thinly sliced green chilies, not like the one that's shown on screen, quarter to half cup curry leaves finely chopped, 2-inch ginger cut into thin juliennes, not like the one that's shown on screen. For the binding gram flour, we have ended up using more or less 350 grams of it. For the binding, it's the gram flour, and for the crispiness, it's the rice flour. Coming to the powdered spices, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of red chili powder. This is optional, but this would enhance the flavor. Amchur or dry mango powder, about a teaspoon. You could substitute amchur with chaat masala, salt as per taste. Sunflower oil for deep frying. Take sliced onion in a big bowl like this, and here goes 2 level teaspoons of salt. For the amount of ingredients that I am using today, 2.5 level teaspoons of salt would be appropriate. Look how thinly green chilies are slit. Finely chopped curry leaves. Here goes ginger juliennes. Further, you can add in chopped cilantro if you have at home. That would further enhance the flavor. Here goes powdered spices like turmeric powder, amchur powder and red chili powder. Pour in 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil at this stage. Add little bit of rice flour at this stage. This would give crispiness to the dish. Now goes gram flour or besan for the binding. Mix everything together nicely. One handy hint, don't add in lot of rice flour and lot of gram flour all at once. You should add little by little and adjust the consistency. Since we have added salt to the onions would release the moisture, so don't pour in water at this stage. Now, as you could see, we would need some more of the rice flour. Here goes some more of the gram flour. For best results, the ratio of rice flour to gram flour should be 1:10. That means for every 10 grams of rice flour, you should use 100 grams of gram flour. From now onwards, you can pour in water and mix well with your hand. If you like the video, please do us a small favor. Please do like this video and also share it with your friends. As you could see, we need some more of the binding agent. Here goes some more of the gram flour. This is the dish made with judgment, so there is no fixed rule for the amount of gram flour or rice flour used. Add in accordingly while continuously mixing. Finally, some more of the water. The idea here is to make a dough that can be formed into dumpling but not too thick. It should be somewhat like this. Before deep frying, preheat the sunflower oil for at least 5 minutes on medium flame. To know whether the oil is fit enough for deep frying, drop in small portion of the batter at the center. Now as you could see, the pakoda is sizzling. That means the oil is fit enough for deep frying. You can now drop in remaining pakodas in small portions. You got to wait for some time for the pakodas to cook slightly before you flip them over. Now when the pakodas are approximately 25% fried, you can flip them over. Remember, the flame should be on medium for the entire preparation. Don't make pakodas on high flame. You may have to flip the pakodas over more than once in between. Now as you can see, pakodas are golden brown in color. You can take them out and place them on an absorbent paper or on a colander. Now check out our description box for many playlists. You can try out any of the recipes from those playlists depending upon your choice. Now repeat the same process in frying remaining pakodas. Hey, onion pakodas are ready. Do try this recipe out at home and let us know how it turned out. The calorie density of this awesome recipe is 327 kilocalories per 100 grams. To put things into perspective, fresh onions have only 40 calories, but this dish has more than 8 times the calories. You don't know why calorie count? Now you know. For more such interesting upcoming recipes, please stay tuned. Until then, ciao, goodbye, take care.